Traders, we're looking at the dollar yen. So what I've seen here is this double bottom and an aggressive spike down into liquidity, taking out these sell stops under here. Then we have this accumulation range, strong move with a lot of momentum, break this previous high, and now we have this higher low. So my question is this gearing up to go long? I think what I'd be inclined to do would be to wait for data release tonight, and I'm thinking that we could see potentially, if we see a strong dollar result, dollar yen could rally, and that could be an incredible entry point at the base of this move here. I like what I'm seeing. All right, so I mean that's pretty much it. My take on the dollar yen, waiting for a data release, and then look for the opportunity in here. In fact, just go down quickly to a 15M. Just want to have a look and see what that looks like around here. The thing that you want to wait for here as well would be this. Let's just grab it on a 5M. We're starting to see potential reversal. See how this is trending up here. All right, we'll go back out to the 15. What I'm looking for would be this base to set up under here. So let's just clear that. I want to see some kind of a base. If it happens here, fantastic. And I mean, it has traded down into a 4-hour accumulation zone indicated by this rectangle. So the thing you want to watch for here would be we break this high here. So let's just grab that. That's the first step. We break that high. Something like a break of this, retest and fail, and we're off to the races. So look for the break of this high here. And when you start seeing it trending up, i.e. higher highs, higher lows, then that would be the opportunity. Now that may happen here, or we're still looking to head into the London Open. But look at this as we approach the London Open. I mean, that could give you the opportunity, but you want to see it starting to trend higher on the lower time frame before an entry. So I'm just scrolling back out. I quite like what I'm seeing on the higher time frame. I like this break above, and I like this higher low here. All right, guys, pending London Open and possibly later on tonight, data release, wait for the trend to kick off. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.